Hey everyone, Alex Welling here and welcome to my channel Thrive Zone TV. And today we're diving deep into the essentials of budgeting that could transform your financial stability. Imagine living a life where you're not constantly stressed about money. Sounds good, right? That's what proper budgeting can do for you. It's not just about cutting back, it's about making smart choices with your money. Throughout this video, I'll share 5 powerful tips that have helped me and thousands of others achieve financial peace. Whether you're trying to get out of debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply manage your spending better, these tips are your first steps towards a healthier financial. So, grab your notepad and let's get started on this journey to financial freedom. Let's kick things off with the cornerstone of any solid budget: tracking your expenses. This is the foundation upon which all other financial habits are built. Without a clear understanding of where your money is going, it's impossible to make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. You see, folks, if you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? It's like trying to navigate a ship without a map or compass. You might have a general idea of your destination, but without precise navigation, you're likely to get lost along the way. It's like trying to fill a bucket with water when it has holes in the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, it will keep leaking out until you identify and plug those holes. Similarly, you need to identify where your money is leaking and take steps to stop it. The first step is to look at your bank statements, receipts, and any financial transactions over the past month. Categorize them. This might seem tedious, but it's a crucial step. Break down your expenses into categories such as groceries, utilities, entertainment, and dining out. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. See what's necessary and what's not. Distinguish between your needs and wants. Needs are essential for your survival and well-being, like rent, groceries, and utilities. Wants, on the other hand, are things you can live without, like that daily latte or the latest gadget. This might be eye-opening, but it's essential. You might be surprised to see how much you're spending on non-essential items. This realization is the first step towards making more conscious spending decisions. Once you start tracking, you'll notice patterns and where you can cut back without feeling deprived. For instance, you might find that you're spending a lot on dining out. By cooking more meals at home, you can save a significant amount of money without sacrificing your quality of life. Remember, every dollar you track is a dollar you control. By being aware of your spending, you can make intentional choices about where your money goes. This control is empowering and can lead to greater financial stability and peace of mind. Make it a habit to review your expenses daily or weekly. Consistency is key. Regular reviews will help you stay on top of your finances and make adjustments as needed. This habit will also make it easier to spot any unusual or fraudulent charges on your accounts. This proactive approach will keep you in charge of your finances rather than your finances controlling you. By taking control of your spending, you can work towards your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. Remember, the goal is not to restrict yourself, but to make informed choices that align with your priorities and values. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to take the next step in your financial journey. Setting realistic financial goals is crucial for your financial well-being. These goals will serve as your roadmap, guiding you towards a more secure and prosperous future. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a home, or preparing for retirement, having clear and well-defined goals gives you something tangible to aim for. It provides direction and purpose to your financial decisions. Clear goals give you something to aim for. They act as a beacon, guiding you through the often complex and overwhelming world of personal finance. Start small with achievable milestones. These small victories will build your confidence and keep you motivated to continue on your financial journey. This could be as simple as saving $100 more each month. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant progress over time. It's crucial that these goals excite you, because excitement breeds motivation. When you're passionate about your goals, you're more likely to stay committed and take the necessary steps to achieve them. Write them down, put them somewhere you'll see every day, and let them be a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Visual reminders can be powerful motivators, keeping your goals at the forefront of your mind. Every time you reach a goal, celebrate that victory. Celebrating your achievements reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated to continue striving for more. This reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Celebrations don't have to be extravagant. Even small rewards can provide a sense of accomplishment and encourage you to keep going. Remember, folks, Goal setting isn't just about dreaming, it's about doing. It's about taking concrete steps towards your aspirations and making them a reality. Break your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and you'll find them much easier to achieve. By focusing on one step at a time, you can make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Consult with a financial advisor if needed. They can provide valuable insights and help you create a realistic and achievable plan tailored to your unique situation. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life is dynamic, and your financial goals should be flexible enough to adapt to changes in your circumstances. Stay committed, stay motivated, and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to your financial dreams. With determination and a clear plan, you can achieve financial success. So start today. Set those realistic goals, take action, and celebrate your progress along the way. Your financial future is in your hands. One of the most critical steps in securing your financial future is establishing an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, appliances fail, and unexpected medical bills can arise. These unforeseen expenses can throw your budget off balance and create financial stress. Jobs can be lost, and during such times, having a financial cushion can make all the difference. An emergency fund is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net that keeps you afloat during these times. It provides a buffer that allows you to handle emergencies without resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards. Start by setting aside a small portion of your income each month. It doesn't have to be a large amount. Even a modest contribution can grow over time. Even $50 can build up over time. The key is consistency. Make it a habit to save regularly and watch your emergency fund grow. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This might seem like a daunting goal, but break it down into smaller, manageable steps. Start with a goal of saving 1 month's worth of expenses, then gradually increase it. Keep this money accessible, but not so accessible that you're tempted to dip into it for everyday expenses. Consider keeping it in a separate savings account that you can access in case of an emergency, but isn't linked to your everyday spending account. This fund is your peace of mind, a financial buffer that allows you to handle unexpected expenses without stress. It's about creating a sense of security and stability in your financial life, ensuring that when life throws you a curveball, you're ready to catch it without falling into debt. It's about being prepared for the unexpected and having the confidence that you can handle whatever comes your way. You're ready to catch it without falling into debt. Avoiding debt is crucial because it can quickly spiral out of control and create long-term financial problems. Folks, think of it as insurance for your finances. Just like you wouldn't drive a car without insurance, you shouldn't navigate life without an emergency fund. It's your financial safety net, your insurance policy against the unexpected. So, start today. Review your budget, identify areas where you can cut back, and begin building your emergency fund. It's a step towards financial freedom and peace of mind. Remember, the goal is not to create a perfect plan, but to start somewhere. Every little bit helps, and over time, you'll build a fund that provides security and stability. Your future self will thank you for taking this important step. Creating an emergency fund is one of the best financial decisions you can make. It's an investment in your future, your peace of mind, and your financial well-being. Start today and take control of your financial future. In this digital age, there are numerous tools and apps designed to simplify budgeting. From apps that link to your bank account and track spending automatically, to spreadsheets that help you visualize your finances, these tools can be a game changer. Take advantage of technology to make budgeting less of a chore. Many of these tools offer alerts for when you're approaching your spending limit, or they can provide insights into your financial habits. Find one that fits your needs and use it to stay on top of your finances. Remember, the goal here isn't to complicate your life, but to simplify it. By integrating these tools into your daily routine, you'll find managing your money becomes second nature. The final tip, but certainly not the least, is to review and adjust your budget regularly. Your financial situation can change, and your budget should evolve with it. Set a monthly or quarterly review session to assess how well your budget is working. Are you consistently overspending in one area? Adjust your budget or your habits. Maybe you got a raise or paid off a debt. It's time to reallocate those funds to meet other financial goals. This regular check-in keeps you accountable and ensures your budget remains effective. Remember, a budget is not set in stone. It's a living document that should adapt to your changing financial landscape. Stay flexible, stay informed, and stay in control. There you have it, folks. 5 essential budgeting tips to help you achieve financial stability and peace. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about taking control of your finances and, by extension, your life. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see big results. I hope these tips inspire you to take that first step towards a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can all move towards a more financially secure future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep budgeting and keep thriving.